Okay, I'm up in the craft room, and I told you I was going to show you what I was going to do with the haul that I got with the Mother's Day stuff. Okay, so I have a basket, and I'm just giving you an idea. I mean, there's so many things that you could do to put this stuff in, and this is just what I'm going to do. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take some skewers that I got from the Dollar Tree and cut them into different lengths, and then I'm going to hot glue. I'm just taking my wire cutters and cutting this. Take the hot glue and glue just a little bit of certain things onto pieces of this, and it's not going to hurt because it's just going on the packaging. Okay, but I like when you're doing baskets, when you're putting stuff in, so everything isn't at the bottom. And this works perfect, like I said, because everything is packaged. Okay. So I'm just going to keep going on this, and I'll be back to talk to you when I'm done. You're going to take your tissue paper and you're just going to come down here and you're just going to twist it a little bit. And that's going to act as filler. I just got the tissue paper from the Dollar. Actually, everything is from the Dollar Tree except the basket. And the basket I have had forever. Then if you make pockets, you know what I mean, when you twist that piece of tissue paper, and then you have something that you can lay this on where it's not going to sink down into the bottom of the basket. This one I think I'm going to put, actually I think I'm going to put this one back here. Yeah. And this one will go over here. Back. And you might have to mess around with it like this, you know what I mean, to get it to where you want it. Again, this has plastic on it, so I'm not bothered at all by putting hot glue, because when you take the plastic off, the hot glue is going to be gone. So I'm going to go ahead and put in this little wooden sign that says Dream. I think I'm going to put it right kind of resting on that stuff, and then they can put that in their room or bathroom, whatever. You just have to play around with it. You just want things all to be seen if you can. This I'm going to put on a skewer, because if none of this was lifted, it would all kind of just fall down into the bottom. That sit for a minute. And then I have these little boxes. They're little for, you know, just little doodads from the Dollar Tree I got a couple years ago. I think I'm going to put one of those in here. I'm trying to see what the... I think because of the packaging, I'll put the blue one in because there's blue in the packaging. And what you could do is, if like you had nail polish or little barrettes or whatever, hair ties, you could put some in there. I might do that. So there's one, and that also holds up. Okay, this looks like it's pretty good now. So I'm going to put that to where it's the highest. All right, put the other piece of tissue paper . Well, and actually what I could do is I could glue a tiny bit of that onto the basket. Or do we want it? Well, okay, so this is the gist of it, and when I kind of just critique it a little bit. Okay, so now I'm just going to get up close and personal for a minute. And again, all I did is put all the things I got from the Dollar Tree. Which I think, and what I like, it all kind of goes together. I'm kind of weird that way. I like continuity if I can get it with colors and all. And here you have it with the mask and the pumice stone on the back and the coconut infused exfoliating bath mitt. That's cream, so it's neutral. And then you have your hot and cold compress. And then I put this little dream sign in, and I think I got this from was it Dollar Tree? You guys, I don't remember. I've had it for a few years. And then this little box is from Dollar Tree. Like I said, you could put a nail file, things to do with manicures, lotion, fingernail polish, whatever you want. And then back here is another bath mitt. And then I like this tissue paper because it just has the different colors. And I'm not going to put a bow on this. I am not one to put bows on everything. I never have been. So I'm going to leave it as is. You could add a frame with a picture of the children in it to the person you're giving this to. There's all kinds of things. You could put silk flowers in between these spots here if you wanted. You could dress this up even more. It's totally up to you, whatever you want to do with it. But I just wanted to give you an idea, and then you can take it and run with it. So I want to wish all the mothers that are subscribed to my channel or watch my channel, or anyone that is the caregiver to children, a very happy Mother's Day. I hope that you're able to spend it with your loved ones. And most importantly, I want you to remember the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. There's only one you, and you bring something to this world no one else can. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.